Hey, it's Amy here with Raisin Rummies. Well, I've been cleaning up my laundry room. There's dust, you know how it gets all over your washing machine and dryer and stuff like that. Well, I opened up my washing machine and this thing here, I didn't know it come out, but it is where you put your fabric softener. Well, it was starting to corrode. It had stuff all, I think I can switch on another light. There, let's see. But it had stuff all in here. So I found out it comes out of the agitator. Well then, this piece also comes off down here. It also comes off. So as you can see, there's still a little bit. It's nowhere near. It was gunky. I did not know that Downy and fabric softener and stuff like that done all that nasty gunky stuff. And like I say, I've already cleaned it, and I mean, I still some more. I'm gonna soak that, but I got back into the washing machine. And look down there. I took I've got a paper towel here. I did not know you could clean this. I've already cleaned all this, but you see how gunky that is? That's what was in my little container thing that I just pulled out and pulled apart. But you can, oh, that's nasty. Ugh. I've never done this before. I didn't know you could even do that. But look at the junk that just come out of that right there. I mean, that is just nasty. I wash my clothes in this, and my babies, and my kids. I mean, I'm gonna keep cleaning and everything, but I was just gonna let you know, especially, I mean, anybody doesn't want their clothes washed in that. When you take this thing off, there is all, I mean, look how nasty I am. Ugh. But I'm washable too. But anyway, if you can, pop this off. Pop this bottom off and clean it. I mean, I've got to go clean some more, but I got to looking down there and seeing, and like I say, I've already pulled out some, and you can't see all the way. There's like several different round, I don't know, little textured things down there, and I can see. So I'm gonna go try to find me some kind of brush or something that I can get down in there. I wash 3 or 4 loads a day. So I just never knew that this would pop out, and see, there's still stuff coming out of it. So I'm gonna take that in there and let that soak while I am trying to clean this other thing right here and see if I can get it all cleaned up, because that is just nasty. And I mean, I don't know, I just can't believe I've been washing my baby's clothes in it. Okay, so I am soaking the piece that drops in there. I've cleaned it a lot better. I can actually see some white. I don't know if I can zoom. It won't let me go in. It's still nasty. So I'm going to spray a little bit of cleaner in there. Hey, can you bring me the that spray that was in the bathroom there? I still can't believe I didn't know this. I'm going to spray some spray down in there. Let me switch it over to where it actually sprays a stream. Get that down there. And because I've loosened up a lot of stuff, I am going to run the wash machine by itself, because I don't want that to come out in my clothes. It was nasty enough. So I'm going to do the speed wash. And I got to do high because, well, I think I'm going to do high just because I want it to go up as high as it was. Don't want deep rinse. So we'll just do a speed wash. And I will come back later and let you know if that cleaned the rest of it out. And hopefully by then, the other piece that I've got soaking will finally be really clean. A lot cleaner than it was. Okay, so I got these 2 things really clean. So there's no more stuff. I've got to snap these back together. I guess I need a phone stand, but they just snap back like that, and then they go on. And it's still got a little bit, so I'm going to take and probably come back and put some spray in it and let it sit overnight. But I'm just going to show you that this just sits back in there. And then it snaps. That's all it does. So you can clean that out. It just comes right back out. So I'm going to spray it and let it sit overnight just to wash again without clothes. I just feel safer that it would come on out. And then I'll be ready to start washing my 3 or 4 loads of clothes tomorrow, 5.